So I'm in the crib, nodding off, you know what I'm saying? Just laying there, fell asleep. And I keep hearing the dogs barking. They barking, Luna always barking, When something happens, she'll bark. But the other ones don't bark too much. But I'm hearing all three of these dogs barking. And I'm getting alarmed. So, I'm still kind of fuzzy in my sleep. So I don't really know what's going on. And then all of a sudden, I just kind of like jumped up because they doing a whole lot of barking out there. I said, let me go out here and see what's going on. So this is what was going on. We started from scratch. No blueprint, no master plan. Just every day adding on, subtracting what's not needed, building. We here now, conscious. Conscious family, the dogs is going crazy. Look what they see. I see why they going crazy. That motherfucker big. And he just sitting there. I don't like it and they don't like it. And he just sitting there. I'm wondering why they going crazy out here. Look at him. Big as hell. Big as hell. Dogs going crazy out here, barking crazy. Boy, now he made me run in the house and get my damn pistol. This motherfucker's big. And they are uneasy. This bird is making my dogs uneasy. Now I know it is illegal in North Carolina to, to possess, harm, or kill, or even mess with the eggs of any non-gaming bird. It's illegal for me to shoot this bird, even though I'm sitting here with the camera on him, with my gun in my other hand, and knowing that it's illegal. But I don't know what to do if this bird swooped down and try to pick up my dog. So here we are. How many more is it out here? That bird making them do a lot of barking. They calmed down now since I came out here. Fuck is that? Yo, I just want to shoot this bird so bad. I mean, he's so big and he just looking all around and you know what I mean? I can't leave my dogs out here. And I know I can't shoot this bird, so I'm just kind of like sitting here watching him. Turkey vultures and black vultures are known to come down and swoop up little dogs and young animals. So I'm on alert. Usually it's good to have like big birds around your house, you know what I'm saying? Because they'll clean up your yard. You know, if you got some dead carcasses in there, any things that could cause bacterial harm to your pets, they'll come and get rid of it. I mean, they come in and kill snakes. If they see snakes, rats, anything around your property, that bird gonna come down and take care of it. You know what I'm saying? But that bird will also come down and take my little puppy away. So we're not gonna have that. I'm glad he ain't on our roof. He probably was on our roof at one point. Yo, I'm gonna keep it all the way real with you. I can't honestly tell you that I'll be sitting there filming with the phone if that bird was on my roof. I would be going nuts. I don't know. If I thought I had to hit him, shoot more than once, I know I wouldn't shoot. But if I know I could hit him with one shot and he gonna fall to me in the backyard where I could put him away and nobody will know, I'd have shot that bird. They looking. They're looking, wanting. Damn. Hey! Something ain't right with that bird. Something ain't right with him. Something ain't right with him. Something ain't right. Luna, stop. Luna, stop. Something ain't right with this bird. Damn. I might have to shoot him. You just gonna sit there like that? You ready to swoop down? You ready to swoop down or something? Just gonna sit right over my dogs like that, huh? See, at this point, this was starting to be way too much for me, man. He looked like he about to swoop down, and I don't know what he gonna do once he swoops. So I'm not trying to be filming it, and he coming straight at me. So I turned the camera off, took the dogs in the